Paris is often regarded as one of the world's most attractive cities due to its many architectural highlights, including its historic squares and cathedrals, its illustrious boulevards, its charming bridges, its gorgeous palaces, and the cobblestone lanes of Montmartre. Not only has the City of Light inspired painters, sculptors, writers, poets, and composers, but it has also influenced nearly every major capital city in the world, with each city claiming its own Champs-Élysées. It is simple to understand why so many people fall in love with Paris. All one needs to do is take a cruise on the Seine or watch people go by from the terrace of a cafe. But which hotel should you stay at if you want to have a lavish vacation in Paris? Here's a list of the luxury hotels that we recommend staying at while visiting the French capital. Click that subscribe button if you want to watch more of us. Let's get into it. Number 1. Plaza Athene. One of the most renowned luxury hotels in Paris may be the Plaza Athene. Its building was completed in 1909. On Montaigne Avenue, it first opened its doors in 1913. An ice rink installed during the winter, a dire healthcare facility established in 2008, a cocktail bar, obviously, and other services of the highest caliber make this hotel deserving of its status. You can pick from 5 different eateries for lunch and dinner. The catering company is formerly known as Alain Ducasse au Plaza Athene, translated as Alain Ducasse at the Plaza Athene, after the acclaimed chef who owns and operates all 5 restaurants. The 208 guest rooms at the hotel provide views of either the opulent Avenue Montaigne with its many upscale shops, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Givenchy, Prada, Ralph Lauren, or the internal courtyard with its geranium-covered walls. The summer restaurant is established as the days start to get warmer in that specific courtyard, and the ice rink is constructed for winter holidays. Additionally, if you love the color red geraniums, this is the place for you because every roller shade in the hotel is red. It actually serves as one of the Plaza Athene's defining characteristics. It's important to remember that there is no additional charge for the spa. What we enjoy, in addition to the more conventional French delicacies, the restaurant serves Japanese dishes. We adore being able to view the Eiffel Tower from a few of the hotel's rooms. The tower is actually just a 15-minute stroll away. Price range: the double bedroom costs on average €1,130, while the luxury suite costs on average €2,800. Number 2. The Four Seasons. The Four Seasons has already established a name for itself near the metro stations Franklin Delano Roosevelt Lines 1 and 9, George V Line 1, and Champs-Élysées Clemenceau Lines 1, 2, and 6, and RER Line A, each of which can be reached by foot in 10, 5, and 15 minutes respectively. It is situated in the renowned Champs-Élysées neighborhood, quite close to its neighbor, the Plaza Athene. Like any good 5-star hotel, the Four Seasons has 2 gastronomic eateries, Sink, 5, and Gallery, as well as a spa where you may unwind and refresh. Additionally, you can splash around in the pool and whirlpool, which will ensure that you have a relaxing moment in a true luxury hotel. The Institute's youth program and babysitting services can help you take care of your kids while you go out for a special supper or an evening with friends. The finest French wines kept in the hotel cellar can also be enjoyed. You'll see a beautiful environment filled with excellent art reproductions such as printings of Poussin's paintings and Flanders tapestries, with a few original pieces of art, certainly, which is a unique feature you'll remember. You'll increase your understanding of the arts as well. 244 rooms and suites comprise the hotel. What we appreciate: Jeff Letham's flower arrangements for Four Seasons. What we adore: the Trompe-l'oeil mural in the pool, which shows the Petit Trianon Gardens in Versailles, the home of Queen Marie Antoinette. Price range in line with those at the Hotel Plaza Athene. An average nightly cost of €1,020 for a double room to €2,700 for a deluxe suite. Before we move any further, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Number 3. Mandarin Oriental Paris. 2011 saw the founding of this palace. The structure is a historic apartment building that was once home to government offices in Paris during the 1930s. Public transportation is accessible from this elegant structure with a strong Parisian ancestry. In less than 300 meters, you'll arrive at the Concorde metro station, lines 1, 8, and 12. And in less than 500 meters, you'll arrive at the Tuileries station, line 1, from where you can easily access the Tuileries Gardens. Like any true luxury hotel, the Mandarin Oriental includes a 900 square meter broad spa. Asian art was incorporated into the Art Deco design of the rooms, which are located near Asian art museums. The Museum of Decorative Arts is actually 10 minutes walk from the hotel. Add 5 more minutes to get to the Louvre. By the way, the Oriental Royal Suite is home to a massive dragon. Once you've had your fill of extolling the virtues of the rooms, and especially the magnificence of the view, you might want to grab a quick bite. Fortunately, the Mandarin Oriental is a superb example of how a comfortable bed and a satisfying supper can make a guest happy. You desire a private lunch or dinner. For you, the Thierry Marx Sur Mesure restaurant was created. The molecular cuisine is Thierry Marx's area of expertise. Want to get some fresh air outside? Enjoy a cuisine that is typically French in the Camellia Garden. Having throat aches? You are invited to the Bar 8's cozy evenings. Additionally, you should visit the cake shop to sample its pastries if you're in the mood for some sweets and nibbles. Good appetite. 39 suites are among the hotel's 99 guest rooms. We enjoy living close to Place Vendôme. What we adore, the lovely garden-based Table du Chef restaurant in Cameroon. Price range for one night with 2 guests, the luxury room costs on average €975, while the panoramic room costs on average €2,300. You will be able to view both the indoor garden and a Parisian landmark from this room as suggested by its name. The 350 square meter Mandarin Royal Suite may be reserved for €20,000 per night if you go in a group. Number 4. Hotel Barrière Les Fouquets. The Fouquets is known for its restaurant on the Avenue des Champs-Élysées, where the crème de la crème of French cinema congregates following the yearly César Award presentation. Marlene Dietrich, Jean Gabin again, later Delon Belmondo and Pedro Almodovar, among others, frequented the eatery in the early 1930s. This is an iconic location, with Harcourt Photo Studio photographs of the top actors and directors from previous decades all over it. You may recuperate in a fantastic environment once you've stepped foot on the same floor as Kate Winslet and Kevin Costner. The Hotel Spa, also known as the U Spa, features a sauna, a pool, and various hammams. In addition to the 5 restaurants, there are 3 pubs where you can go for cool drinks. The Diane has large circular tables covered in flowers. The Fouquet's is chic with its numerous chandeliers and red velvet armchairs. The Petite Maison de Nicole's Little House, serves homey cuisine from the south of France. The Galerie Joy is the perfect place to have tea at 4 p.m. or brunch in the morning, and the Café Fouquet's with its Belle Époque decor are just a few of your options. 81 rooms make up the hotel. What we like, the bay windows and the Diane round ceiling. The spa's Escapade Day Tent Package, relaxing escape, is what we adore. Price range, a superior room for 2 people will cost on average €800. A deluxe suite will cost on average €1,800 a night. Number 5. The ShangriLa. Let's head to the 16th district after you've rested in the Tuileries quarters and the 8th district. Although it is well renowned for being wealthy and opulent, it still doesn't have as many 5-star hotels as the 8th. From the Iéna, Line 9 metro stop, you can get there. Roland Bonaparte, Emperor Napoleon's great-nephew, once lived in this exquisite hotel, which may account for why it is adorned in such a royal manner. To seem like a royal, however, doesn't require much adornment. Pastel, blue, or white hues, elegant furniture, brown tables and dressers, golden and silver chandeliers with their understated appeal. The largest suite is 300 square meters wide, and the rooms are sizable. You can also celebrate your honeymoon or wedding anniversary in this seductive location. Additionally, you'll have the chance to daydream in front of Paris's most stunning structure, the Eiffel Tower. The monument is in fact located in the center of the Chailat neighborhood. For €1,500, you can think about it while eating supper if you want to see it from even closer at distance. A room with an Eiffel Tower view costs, on average, €2,400 per night to rent. Not to mention you can consume alcohol and eat in one of the 3 restaurants or the bar. The bar, yep, that is its name, will charm you with its empire design. You can opt to enjoy French or Asian cuisine at La Belle, the Bee, the Shang Palace, or the Bohemia. The choice is entirely up to you. The hotel features 36 suites and 65 guest rooms. We enjoy the cultural experience because the Asian Arts Focus Gamut Museum is only 100 meters away. The hotel is 200 meters from both the Palais de Tokyo and the National Museum of Modern Art. The main staircase, which will make you feel like Napoleon himself, is what we adore. Price range from €1,400 for a night in the deluxe suite to an average of €880 for a night in a double bedroom. Number 6. The Park Hyatt Paris Vendôme. The highly regarded Place Vendôme, the epicenter of elegant and calm in Paris, is 100 meters from the Park Hyatt. Come enjoy a stroll through the Opera District, window shop in its upscale shops, feast on excellent fare in its many Japanese restaurants, and reserve a night in one of its upscale hotels. The Opera, Lines 3, 7, and 8, and Quatre Septembre, Line 3, subway stations are just 5 minutes walk from the Park Hyatt. An American architect named Ed Tuttle created the entire structure. It was a French haute couture brand a century ago. More style, less textile. The Park Hyatt occasionally acts like a museum because it is close to the Louvre. Numerous pieces by contemporary painters are on permanent show there. You no longer even need to leave the house to study art. Everything in the rooms is tastefully arranged and furnished, and it is everything as cozy as it can be. Leather sofas and armchairs, large lights, velvet pillows, and contemporary accessories. A free underground parking garage is also available. The public parking lot of Place Vendôme is also accessible. Additionally, you can request on-demand delivery of your newspapers to your door. You can get a daily catering service from 3 restaurants at the Park Hyatt Hotel. In addition, this 5-star hotel provides laundry, ironing, and shoe shine services. Additionally, if you're traveling with youngsters, you can leave them with the staff, as the hotel also offers childcare services. There are 153 rooms in the Park Hyatt. What we enjoy are the Chimmy's nibbles and its violet mojito. We adore the heated floor in the restroom. The average cost of a double bedroom per night is 835 euros, while the Park Deluxe Suite is 1,200 euros. Do you want to know what luxurious hotels do other amazing cities have? Then subscribe to our channel as we keep posting such interesting videos regarding travel. Thanks for watching.